Hello friends, this is Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, in today's video we'll see how to create the representation for windows in a building plan in AutoCAD. So let's get started. So friends, as you can see, this is the representation for windows. This is the window and this is a chhaja which is seen from the window sill level. So we'll find out how to draw this in our building plan. So the size of this window is 4 feet 6 inches into 4 feet 6 inches. That is, the width of the window is 4 feet 6 inches and the height of the window is also 4 feet 6 inches after the sill level. So since this is in feet and inches, the unit of this drawing, so we'll draw our window in the same units. First we'll select a rectangle here and click on any point. Then we'll enter the dimensions, that is the width of the window 4 feet and 6 inches, comma, this wall is 10 inches thick wall, so we'll enter the thickness of the wall 10 inches. So this is our window. Now we need to create this inner offsets. So for this we can EX and then explode it. As you can see, the window has been exploded into separate parts. So now we can take offset from here. Go enter. We'll simply enter an offset of say 4 inches. So by taking an offset of 4 inches from here and here, we create the representation for our window. Now as the representation of the window is done, we need to create the chhaja. For creating the chhaja, we'll go to our layer properties and we'll create a new layer. We'll name this as CHAZZA, which is chhaja, and then we'll change the line type to a different. Let us load a line type. We'll go with dashed x2. Let us find that out. Dashed x2. We'll select this line and then OK. We'll just select this. OK. Now we'll just close our layers. We'll select the chhaja layer and then we'll work with it. We'll take a polyline and then we'll make sure we switch on the ortho. Now in this direction we'll go 5 inches. The top direction will go 1 foot, and in this direction we'll also go 5 inches from here. So the total will be 5 feet 4 inches, that is 4 feet 6 inches plus 10 inches, and then we'll just join this. So as you can see, the chhaja has been ready. But now as you can see, this was the dotted line, but it is not properly visible here. So we need to change the dimension of this dotted line, which we'll see in our upcoming video. So stay tuned to our channel. Bye bye.